Alright guys, in this video I want to show you how to disassemble and assemble a G&L UltraLite bass guitar tuning key. Okay, so this one I already removed off the bass, which is a G&L SB1. You remove this whole tuning key with just unscrew of the 4 small securing screws. Looks like this. Once you unscrew those 4 screws, the whole piece falls off. And to take it apart, okay, I'm going to show you guys really quick. It's exceptionally easy. To take it apart, you just need to unscrew this one screw here that's securing the gear and the knob together. It's secured by a washer, so make sure you don't lose both. And once the washer and the screw is off, all you have to do, just try to pry it apart. This front part is going to fall off. At the back part with the gear and the spring and a washer, plastic washer, is going to fall off as well. Okay, and then you can take this knob out for general cleaning. Now, the cool thing about the G&L UltraLite is it's made in Germany, extremely well made, very good durability. This guitar is about 30 years old, barely any wear on this tuner. Okay, barely any. Most of those parts are steel, very good quality steel, and the only thing that's aluminum is the string holder. This part is aluminum, but I don't think it's a high stress component, so they use this to save weight. Otherwise, it's going to be really heavy. Now for the reassembly, I'm going to show you guys really quick. Reassembly is also very, very simple. Usually I just use WD-40 and just spray on those components, do a quick cleaning, remove all the metal particles on here, and it's pretty much, you know, good to go again. If your tuner does get dirty and gritty, super easy to restore. So the first thing first, of course, you need to make sure the direction of your knob is placed correctly. You want to actually just take this back to your guitar, okay, and see where the knob is going to be situated. This is the correct direction. You want the knob to be facing this way, right? All right, so that's the key component I want to share with you guys in regards to the knob direction. You want to just physically go there and make sure if you're confused, like me. All right, so with the knob at the correct direction, you can now insert this little washer piece. It's spring-loaded with a little slide curve. You want to slide that under the gap here with the G&L logo facing out. And at the same time, don't lose this plastic washer. It sits between the gear and this metal piece. So you slide it there, and you're going to align that with the hole where your string component is going to go through. You're just going to, you know, loop it through here, and make sure the plastic piece is not accidentally erased and get jammed. And you can see everything sit in place now. You're gonna find one of your gears. Now, another trick here, or another important thing, you want this parallel side facing on the top. If you look over here, this side is all round. You don't want this side to be facing top. You want the parallel side to be facing top. Otherwise, your thing is not going to sit in there correctly. Okay, so make sure the parallel side is facing the top. You align this parallel side with this parallel side. You're going to just push it down. Sometimes it fits in there. Sometimes if it doesn't, okay, so mine, it fits in there fine. If it doesn't, you just flip it forward and using a little pressure thing to just knock it and make sure that the parallel side on the little knob is parallel, and it goes in all the way with the gear. Once that is done, you're pretty much finished. You just use the screw and the washer, and you're going to tighten everything completely. Okay. And just snug is enough because it doesn't really go any further. Once you have it snug, the thing starts to turn. You can test it here. And I can just, again, test, make sure the direction of the knob is correct, and installation is done. Okay, so I'm going to assemble one more. Actually, I'm going to disassemble this one because I had the knob at the wrong direction, and reassemble everything for you guys really quick, just so you have an idea how to service your tuner. Okay, so very easy and simple to service this. It's a very good quality tuner, G&L UltraLite. It's actually made in Germany, so definitely a quality made tuner. After 30 years, still working fantastic. All right, putting the washer, spring-loaded washer back in there. And I'm gonna use one of those knobs, get it through. Again, just make sure plastic washer is not pinched by the string holder. You're gonna align this with the parallel side facing the top. Okay, all right. And just give it a little more snug. Come back, get the washer, get the screw, and you just quickly and successfully disassembled and reassembled a G&L UltraLite tuner in less than 2 minutes. That's how easy it is. For cleaning, I just use WD-40 and it actually works very well. And again, beautiful, turns nicely. This one, again, I had the wrong direction, so now I'm going to correct it. And you're going to find out that you're going to do this faster and faster the more you service this tuning key. Okay. All right, let's see. Here we go. Again, make sure nothing gets stuck. Get the key back here, align them, give them a little pressure. If it doesn't sit in here, you want to flip it over and give it more pressure so it fits. Like so. Okay. Washer and a screw. And you're done. Quite easy, quite easy. Love this tuner. Okay, very good quality. And turn it, make sure, right? Knobs at the right direction. This one, wrong direction. All right. Yes. So this one is correct. Now you just finish the servicing very quickly for tuners. And if you guys found this video helpful, do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. I will have more bass guitar restoration and tips videos coming out for you guys. So now let's test again. Put it in here. All right, perfect. Okay, there you go. So the only thing I did not remove is this metal boss. You usually don't want to remove those unless it's damaged or it's moving. Because you might, when you remove it, you might grab a piece of wood and have the whole hole gets damaged and you might have to re-drill the hole and things like that. So usually don't remove those balls and just only remove your tuners for service. WD-40 works well, and that's pretty much it. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.